In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting on Google Meet. Whether you're organizing a virtual conference for colleagues or catching up with friends, Google Meet is an excellent tool for hosting online meetings, offering simple access and robust functionalities. Let's get started by getting you set up with everything you need to know to host an effective meeting right from your computer or mobile device. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search homepage. In the search bar, type in "How to host a meeting on Google Meet" and hit enter. This will guide you to the necessary resources that will help break down the process step by step. The Google search results should display the official Google Meet website, among other helpful resources you might also find useful along the way. Once you've found the Google Meet homepage, click the link to access Google Meet. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. It's a quick process and will grant you access to a host of Google services, including Google Meet. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main Google Meet dashboard. Here, you'll see a large button that says New Meeting. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. If you would like to start a meeting immediately, you can simply select Start an Instant Meeting. This option will launch you directly into a video call, where you can invite others to join instantaneously. Alternatively, if you're planning a meeting for a future time and date, you can select Schedule in Google Calendar. Clicking this will redirect you to the Google Calendar interface, where you can set your meeting details. You'll be prompted to add specific details such as a title for your meeting, your preferred date and time, and any other pertinent information you want your participants to know. Be sure to save your event after entering these details. Now, let's talk about inviting participants. For an instant meeting, once your meeting link has been generated, you can share it with others by copying and sending the link via email, chat, or even a calendar invite. For scheduled meetings in Google Calendar, participants will automatically receive an invite with all the details you've set, such as time, date, and a link to the meeting. They simply need to click the link at the scheduled time to join your meeting. And that's it. You're now ready to host a meeting on Google Meet. Remember to test your equipment, like your microphone and camera, before starting to ensure smooth communication during the call. Google Meet also offers screen sharing and other advanced features, so feel free to explore these tools to enhance your meetings. Thank you for watching, and with this knowledge, I hope you have many successful meetings ahead.